plastering a wall, you will eventually come to a corner. Although there are specialty corner tools, sometimes the most convenient corner tool is homemade. Cut it square from a rigid piece of plastic. Bend or fold it. After applying a generous amount of plaster on the outside of the corner, use your plastic tool to perfectly smooth it out. For inside corners, you can use your trowel, plastic tool, or even brush the plaster in the corner. For ordering materials, videos, and lots more, visit VasariPlaster.com.